Hey guys, I am here to do a quick tutorial on how to wear liquid eyeshadows. Of course, there was many different ways that you can wear liquid eyeshadows, but I specifically am going to show you exactly how I did this look with a liquid eyeshadow. In my non-professional, non-makeup artist, just love to play in makeup girl opinion, I honestly think that a liquid eyeshadow is the perfect eyeshadow for a beginner. If you are a beginner, I find that it's very easy to manipulate liquid eyeshadow. It's foolproof, it blends well. It also can be bold as well. So I love it. As you can see here, I've done one eye already. And I'm going to show you guys how I did this on the other eye. So I am gonna just get after it. Okay, you guys ready? All right, first thing I did is I used eyeshadow palette 6 from the Moodstruck Addiction collection by Younique. I used eyeshadow palette number 6. What I did, I took Enthralled as a transition color. I used Enthralled as a transition color, and then I went in with Blazing. This is Enthralled. And then I went in with Blazing and made a little bit of an ombre down into the dark color, and it really worked out really nicely as my base. So I started there. So the liquid eyeshadow that I'm going to be using for you guys today is a color called Egotistical. It's a brand new Moodstruck liquid eyeshadow by Younique. It is a beautiful color. I did swatches and a first review. So if you go to my videos, you can watch the first review. I will have the link to the first review, or not the first review, the first impression in the comments if you want to go and look at that. You can. But this color is amazing. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful, bold yet subtle pink. Perfect for the fall if you're a pink wearer. It's just absolutely darling. It's just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go in with how I did this look really quick. You're going to need a few brushes. These are the brushes that I like to use, and I'll just kind of explain that as I go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cream shadow, liquid shadow. It's not really cream, it's liquid. And I'm just going to put it on. Like I said before, it's pretty much foolproof, okay? I'm not going to go up too high or anything like that. Put it on a good deal. And then what I'm going to take is a brush called the Deluxe brush. Okay, it's also by Younique Cosmetics, this particular brush. I love this brush because it's real thick. I'm not sure if it's synthetic or animal hair. I think they're all synthetic brushes. But I like how dense it is, and it really works well with the liquid shadows. So you're just going to take it and kind of dab it out, okay? And what you do when you dab it out is you kind of make it nice and even, okay? Beautiful. I love this color. I absolutely love it. I mean, there's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. The million things you could do with this color. So you see how easy that application was? Okay. I mean, it's real simple. You just kind of dab it out however you like it. If you're a cut crease type of person, this is perfect for a cut crease. I am not. I just don't have the eyeballs for it. All right, so the next thing I'm going to take is the Younique blending brush. I like this. I'm going to say real quick that I would marry these two brushes together. They are like best friends. This is the Sigma E25 blending brush. I got it off of Amazon. The link to buy this will be in the comments. It's really good for putting on your transition color or maybe your crease color. It's very good for blending and putting on, but to really blur those lines out, I really love the brush. If I had to recommend two blending brushes, it would be these two, and I would buy them together, okay? Then you're going to just take this blending brush and just make it not harsh, okay? I mean, it just really, really feathers things out. It's nice and big, so it covers a lot of area. I just really love it, okay? You're just going to get that blended into those two transition colors that I did before. And you can see how this color really manipulates. I mean, it's a liquid and it has massive staying powder, first of all. The staying power on this is like amazing, okay? It's not waterproof or anything like that, but it is long wear. I mean, smudge proof is what I'd call it, okay? However, it does tend to move very easily with this particular blending brush. Okay, so the next thing that I did was I took the crease brush by Younique. You can use any crease brush. I don't have any other crease brush to show you. This is the one that I use. It is by Younique. I'm going to take the color in this eyeshadow palette 6 called Audacious. It's a very dark chocolate brown color. And I'm just going to dab on and do a V. I'm going to make a V just below that crease and just along the lash line, just below the crease, just below the lash line. And then I'm just going to pull the center towards that pink. Okay? Real easy. Make a V and then pull the center towards that V. And that's just going to give your color a little bit of depth in the corner of your eyes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I don't know what happened. It cut off just when I was going to show you guys my cute little brush cleaner. So I will show you my finished look. Here, let me raise you guys and bring you back up to par. I don't know what happened. It cut you off, so you didn't get to see the rest of the video. But this is the final look of the cream shadow. The only thing that I did after putting the dimension in the crease is I cleaned my brush off, and then I went in with the crease shadow brush. I took this color called Impressive and I just dabbed it on here, and I talked about how pretty the moonlight was over the ocean at nighttime. And then I went in with the Inglot cream eyeliner, found it on Amazon, and just any kind of angle brush or eyeliner brush, and I put on eyeliner, and then I topped and finished my look with Epic One Step mascara. Don't know why it cut it off, but I thought I would come back and let you guys see the finished look. It is really beautiful. You really have to check out the cream shadows. I did another video called First Impressions of the liquid eyeshadows. That video will be linked below as well. Everything I used today will also be linked below where I get it, whether it be Amazon or the Younique Presenters website. If you need help with anything, you can email me, or if you have a special request on a how-to, you can also email me and I'll be glad to do one. I hope that you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. All right? Have a good evening.